Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you are resonating with the readings. Do let me know how you feel the readings are. Like the channel, subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon so that you will know as and when I bring in my videos. And I'm planning to bring in some surprise videos also as and when I get time, so you will be notified. Also, if you're not there in my WhatsApp group, then you can WhatsApp to 63806 77131 and be a part of the group, because sometimes I also bring in certain tips there and I also bring in all my latest products and my workshop details there. So let's see how is your day going to be today. Perfume of Sophia. Okay, so let me just pull one more card. I know you all must be wondering what cards are these, but these is the White Light Oracle. These are also good. Shekinah. It's a beautiful combination actually. The power of Sophia and the Shekinah. So, coming to the perfume of Sophia, basically, you need a lot of healing to happen. I feel there is something which is running in your mind and you're not able to understand what is it and how to resolve it, and that is why this card has come. Maybe you should have some patience. You're pushing yourself too much. What you can do is just give yourself some time, connect with your inner body, give a lot of self love, because self love will make you to understand that right now whatever is happening is just a temporary phase and you will come out of it successfully, because Shekinah, she is the person who resolves your worldly concerns. She is the one who will allow you to see the treasure of your life, and also she brings in a lot of help in manifestations of life. If you embrace her, beautiful actions will be taken. If you embrace her and notice her, she will give you beautiful openings and opportunities so that you will get what you're desiring. And if it is something related to physical or materialistic concerns, don't worry, she's the lady who will help you in this transition. Just focus on her. Today I feel the color has to be pink, because you are in a lot of deep thoughts and a lot of energy surrounding you are making you feel down and negative. Also, if possible today, do some self love on yourself. Do something which you like doing. Wear the color pink. And in the evening, if possible, just go to some temple or go somewhere where you like and sit for half an hour in silence, not with your mobiles, not with anyone or anything, just you and your solitude. And I'm sure they are going to give you your answers and you're going to know what is in store for you. Have a beautiful day ahead. Thank you.